Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a drop-down combo box or menu list box using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will create a drop-down menu box. Now select Form option in this menu bar and here you will find this drop-down box or combo box. Click here and select. Now drag your mouse cursor to the combo box area. You can decrease this size here and move. Now select right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box, and properties dialog box, this is general option, and you can change this combo box name. You can add your custom name, you can add tooltip, and from field visible this red only and required. Also you can rotate this combo box, and appearance option, you can change here border color, this border thickness and border style, and this fill color. Also you can add another fill, and this text color, you can change text color, and this font size I'll make it auto. Now go option menu and add your item value name, add here male. Now select add, as is item, now adding this box female, and see this, and 3 of this now added, and you can add up, also you can down, and see this, you can up it, and you can align and sort all of them, and see this. Okay, also you can allow user to enter custom text. If you check here and select close, our combo box like this is now created. Also you can type here custom text and see this. Yeah, this is our combo box now ready. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.